Well, good morning and welcome to a very snowy Macclesfield Forest. Not done a hike, well, filmed a hike lately, so been out with a drone quite a lot, so thought I'd better mix it in with a nice walk out. The weather is amazing, so I thought why not, let's get it out. Very fortunate to live just around the corner from this beautiful forest. So whilst lockdown 3.0 rolls on, still get a bit of, well, quite a few miles in to be fair. I think maybe get about 10 in today. That's the target. Up to Teggs Nose and leap all the way back and go up to Shuttlingsloe, all being well. Getting some new tyres fitted on the van this afternoon, so just got to be mindful of that, but it shouldn't be a problem. Should have plenty of time. So just going through Macclesfield Forest at the minute. We've got to come out shortly and then go up to Teggs Nose, so we'll get back to you at some point then. Nearly at the summit of Teggs Nose, which is behind us. Just one little final push to get up there. Views are amazing today. Got Teggs Nose Reservoir just here through the trees, Bottoms Reservoir, Ridge Gate over there, the start of the forest. And you can just about see Shuttlingsloe there poking over the back of the forest, which is our ultimate destination for today. We'll crack on up to the top, actually on the Gritstone Trail at the minute, which is a 36 mile walk from Disley all the way up over. So you've got through Lime Park to start with, then over White Nancy, up over Teggs Nose, over onto Bosley Cloud, and which continues all the way down and finishes off in Kidsgrove. Yeah, so that's a really good walk. Might film that one day, probably over 2 days. Little camp in between on a warmer day, we think so. Right, let's crack on to the top of Teggs. Then we've got to drop back down into the forest and then climb back up again through the forest, up onto the open moor and up to Shuttlingsloe. to Shuttlingsloe. It's going to be wild. The sun's in and out, so a bit of sun on it, it'll look awesome. Okay, let's do it. Nearly back at the van now. Not really sure how far we've been today. So yeah, a few miles in, not bad timing. I think we'll make the garage. Cheers to Dan at Holly Road, sorting me out as always. Cheapest prices in Cheshire guaranteed. Yeah, so we'll crack on back to the van now. Like I say, cheers to Dan for keeping it on the road. Hopefully we'll be able to drive it up to the lake soon. Not sure whether we're going to come out of lockdown in the next 2 or 3 weeks maybe. All up to Big Boris I suppose, but fingers crossed that we can get up there soon. As good as it is having a lovely forest like this local, I do miss getting up the big mountains, so fingers crossed we'll be out there next time. As always, thank you very much for coming along with us. Stay safe and we'll see you soon.